Welcome to Zoho SalesIQ. This video will tell you how to install live chat on your Android mobile application. The Zilker Home app is the demo app that will be used in this video to demonstrate the SDK installation. In this video, I'll tell you how to add a library to the project, how to generate tokens for your application, and how to initialize the SDK with a generated token. So without further delay, let's get started. Remember that the SDK supports Android API level 15 and above. So, if you want to install live chat on your mobile app, you need API level 15 or higher. As the first step, add Zoho's Maven repository inside the project's build.gradle file. Then, add the MobiListen library dependency in the app level build.gradle file. Then, click Sync Now. Following this, in the Zoho SalesIQ console, navigate to Settings, Websites, Live Chat for Mobile Apps, Android. Copy the application ID from your build, paste it inside the SalesIQ portal, and generate your token. This will generate your app key and your access key. After this, you can initialize the SDK by calling the init method in the onCreate method of your application class. Here, you have to include your app key and your access key. In case you don't have one, you need to create a new class by right-clicking on the class, then navigating to New and then to Java class. In the Create New Class window, give a name which extends the application class and then click OK. The class is now created. Inside the class, include the onCreate method. Call the init method with your app key and your access key. Here, this denotes the application instance. Now, open Android manifest.xml and add the created application class name. Finally, choose the target device and run the build. Your Android app, along with the live chat widget, will appear on the emulator. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you.